3D navigation toolbar. If you go here, you can see these all 3D navigation toolbar. If you didn't found this toolbar, go to View tab and you can see here Navigation toolbar. If it is switch on like this, you will get it like this tool. Or if you switch off, you never get like this. Switch on this one, you will get it Navigation toolbar. In this Navigation toolbar, first one View cube, next one full navigation wheel, and here it is pan. This is Zoom toolbar, and here it is Orbit toolbar. This one we will see later. The first one we will see pan. If you click this pan, you can pan your object like this. This pan you can make using mouse center button. Press your mouse center button and you can pan like this. Or type P in your keyboard, enter, and you can pan like this. Or right click, you will get it pan, you can make pan like this. The next command, zoom. Various types of zoom options available in AutoCAD. The first one, it is zoom extend. Zoom extend means sometime you made a small modeling, sometime you zoom or something made mistake, something, it is like this. You are finding that one, you are not getting. You need to get it in front of you. You can use zoom extend. Just click this one, use zoom extend. This same command you can make using your mouse center button. Sometimes it is like this. Double click your mouse center button, you can make zoom extend. The next one, zoom window. Sometimes specific area only you need to zoom. You can use this option. Just click this one, click the first point, at the next point you can make zoom like this. This is called zoom window. The next one, zoom previous. If you click this zoom previous, it will go back to one step, that is zoom previous. And I just made like this. Next one, zoom real time. If you click this real time, and you can click and hold your mouse left click, and you can make like this, zoom out, zoom in, like this. So this is called real time zoom. The next one, zoom on. This also similar to zoom extend, but in this case, if you given any limits, if you know AutoCAD 2D, definitely you know about the limits. If you given any limits, that limits also will zoom all. But these cases, just zoom all, just zoom all, it will zoom like this. The next one, zoom dynamic. If you click this zoom dynamic, you can see a white color window. Now I just click this point, and now you can see if I move mouse, it depends on the movement, the white color window is reducing. Now it is increasing, it is reducing, increasing, reducing. If I move my mouse, depends on the movement, it is reduce or increase. I just made like this. Okay, now it is very small, and I just click again. Now you can see the size is decided. So now which area you need to zoom, just place it in that area. I just place like this. Again click and enter. Now you can see which area the rectangle placed, that area only zoom. That is called zoom dynamic. The next one, zoom scale. Zoom scale means you can use scale factor for zooming. Just click this zoom scale. Now I am going to give the value of scale factor. Make it 1 scale, enter. Now this is 1 scale factor view, and I just make it zoom scale again, 0.1. Below 1 scale also it will zoom like this. Any scale factor you can give, depends on that scale factor, it will zoom. The next one, zoom center. Sometimes it is like this, but this portion you need to make it as a center of this view. So which portion you need, just click that portion and simply enter. Now you can see it is changed to the center of this workspace. The next one, zoom object. Which object you need to zoom, just select that object, enter. Now it will zoom perfectly. The next option, zoom in. It is zoomed in one step. If you click again, it will one more step zoom in again. This is zoom out. The next one, if you click again zoom out, it will zoom out again. Same thing, you can use your mouse middle button, you can make zoom in or zoom out. Rotate your mouse center button, you can make zooming. Just go near to the object and place it like this and make like this, rotate, you will get it zoom in or zoom out. Rotate your mouse, which area you want, just go near to the area and rotate your mouse center button, you can make zoom in or zoom out. And the next one, it is orbit tool. Orbit tool, 3 orbit tools we have. First one, orbit. If you click that orbit, your mouse pointer changed like this. Now click your mouse left click and hold the mouse left click and you can just make orbit like this. Okay, which direction, just leave from that point. Now if you leave your hand from mouse, it is freely. Again just click and hold your mouse left click and you can make like this. It is orbit. The next one, it is free orbit. If you click this free orbit, now you can see a orbit. You can just make like this free orbit. Inside the orbit, this is the orbit. Inside this is the center point. You can make like this orbit. But in this free orbit, you can select any portion, you can make orbit. The next one, it is continuous orbit. For continuous orbit, if you click means and press your mouse left click and just go little distance and leave your hand from mouse left click. Now it will orbit like this. Same thing, if you made fast, you will get it fast orbit. Just click and just leave it. Escape, it will stop. If you need to go back to the original position, just go to home. Here it is view. If you click here, a lot of view available. Select this southeast, southwest, northeast, which view you want. If you click that view, it will go back to that view. Just click this southeast, you will get it the original position. This is the way to handle the main navigation toolbar in AutoCAD.